Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what does AI impacts in our daily lives and in our jobs, in our society. Okay, section one. In the section one, we are going to focus about transformation of job market. Okay, first let's AI is automating repetitive tasks and routine day-to-day tasks at a scale where we have never seen before. From manufacturing lines to office paperwork, jobs that relied on manual effort are now being done by AI machines actually. But it is not all about job loss. New opportunities are emerging too. Role of AI development, data science, and digital ethics are in high demand. Still, for some workers, especially those without advanced digital skills, the transition can be tough. The rapid growth in sparkling the conversation about the universal basic income and other social safety nets as we think about what works looks like a powered world. Section 2, Power Productivity and Skill Divide. AI is creating a new divide between those who can harness its power and those who can't. Business and individuals who master AI tools are seeing huge productivity gains. They can analyze data faster, make smarter decisions, automate complex tasks. But what about the left behind? Without access to AI or skills to use it, many risk fall further behind. This is growing gap. The growing gap is one of the biggest challenge we face in 2025. Okay. The next session is changes in daily life and personalization. Okay, AI isn't just a work, it's transforming our daily lives from personalized recommendations on your phone um, to smartphone devices that automate your routines. AI is everywhere. Even the way we search for information is changing with AI-powered platforms delivering answers faster and more accurate than before. This level of personalization makes life more convenient, but it also means we are sharing more data than ever with AI systems. Okay. Section 4, Ethical Privacy and Social Challenge. With all the benefits coming above, big question: who controls our data? How do we make sure AI is fair or unbiased? AI system can sometimes reinforce existing biases, and rise of deepfakes and AI generated misinformation makes it harder to know who is the real one online. As surveillance increases, personal data is used to train AI. Debates about digital rights and privacy are heating up. We need strong rules and ethical standards to guide how AI is being used. Okay. Next session will speak about social unrest and inequality. Not everyone is happy with the pace of change. As AI widens the gap between the haves and have-nots, we are seeing more social unrest, protest, anti-AI movements, and growing anxiety, especially among young people entering tough job market. If we don't address these inequalities, the social fabric could be at risk. Next session will focus on creative and education shifts. AI is making creative tools more accessible, is enabling more people and productive music, art, videos in education. AI is helping personalize learning, make advanced skills training available to more people. Upskilling and reskilling are now essential, both for individuals and for society as a whole. Okay, so in conclusion, in 2025, AI is deeply woven the fabric of our society. It's changing how we work, how we live, and how we connect with each other. The challenges are real, but so are the opportunities. If we work together, government, business, and individuals, we can make sure AI benefits for everyone. Are you ready to be part of this change? If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching the video.